Does your brain sometimes feel like an overprotective friend? Here's why. Imagine walking through a jungle. Long ago, our ancestors faced dangers like wild animals or sudden storms. Their brains evolved to sense danger early. When something seemed risky, their bodies would prepare to fight or run away, even if the threat wasn't clear. Fast forward to today. Our modern jungle includes exams, job interviews, or social situations. But our brain still uses that same ancient system. When you're anxious, your brain is just trying to protect you by staying alert to any possible threats, even if they aren't life-threatening. In a way, anxiety is your brain's overprotective way of saying better safe than sorry. It gets you ready for action, but sometimes it overreacts to things that aren't as scary as they seem. So next time you feel anxious, remember, your brain's just trying to keep you safe. Pretty cool, right?